In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to repair waste pipe on a bathroom sink. So right over here, as you can see, some of the pipes have been removed. The original setup were these two pipes here. These are two elbows, and as you can see they are corroded away. So it went like this. This was the top piece here. Just went into there, and there was a nut that goes around there. And then it went into this piece here. So it went down this way. This is the locking nut right here. So that went all the way down. And this went into here. So to replace it, you take the pipes with you to the plumbing supply store and match them. These happen to be 1 1/4 inch diameter. You have to get the right diameter for it to fit. Now I couldn't find this particular piece. I was able to find something similar to this, so I'm going to mix it with a PVC pipe because this is unavailable. Just to show you how badly corroded this was, one of the nuts just cracked off into a bunch of pieces, so this needs to be replaced. So I compared this with this. This is similar. I'm going to have to cut this piece right down to here. It's a little bit different, but it should fit. Okay, so here's the plan. I'm going to cut this to match this as much as possible. There's more of a curvature here, but I don't need all this slack, so I'm going to try to cut it to where it's the straightest point. Once that's cut, then this will slide into here. And then this comes out that way and will go into here. So as you can see, it's going to set up beautifully. Okay, so I cut it. It's very sharp. You got to be careful and wear gloves. I'm going to be using the O-ring that came with the PVC pipe, so that has to go onto here. Okay. And that goes like that. So that would be a tight seal. Make it a little bit higher. Okay. Okay, so that's tight. So that's on. Here's the O-ring, the nut. I push this further up. Just wind that on as far down as possible. Okay. Okay, that's tight. Now this has to be tightened. Okay, so this can be hand tightened. And this nut I'm going to be using a tongue and groove pliers, and this can just be hand tightened. Okay, Now we're going to tighten this. Take the tongue and groove pliers and hand tighten. Okay, so I'm going to turn the water on. All dry. So there you go. That is how to repair a waste pipe and a bathroom sink. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.